Hi friends. Welcome to Content Factory. Today I am talking about Turkey and Syria earthquake updates. More than 33,000 people were killed when an earthquake struck central Turkey and northwest Syria. The number of deaths in Turkey has risen to 29,605 on Sunday, while more than 4,500. In one of the most powerful quakes in the region in at least a century, while a second powerful tremor hours later threatened to overwhelm rescue efforts. Thousands more were injured as the quake wiped out entire sections of major cities in a region filled with millions of people who have fled the civil war in Syria. The magnitude 7.8 quake, which hit in the early darkness of a winter morning, was followed by a second 7.7 quake in the middle of the day on Monday, as rescuers in both countries were still attempting to search for survivors. The Turkish state broadcaster TRT showed images of panicked people sheltering in the street as buildings around them quaked during the aftershock in the town of Kahramanmaraş, north of Gaziantep. A view of destroyed building after earthquakes jolts Turkey's provinces, on February 6, 2023 in Diyarbakir. The quake struck at 4 a.m. local time at a depth of about 17.9 km near the Turkish city of Gaziantep, which is home to about 2 million people, the U.S. Geological Survey said. Television images from Turkey showed shocked people standing in the snow in their pajamas, watching rescuers dig through the debris of damaged homes. Buildings were leveled while many people were still asleep. Tremors were felt as far away as Lebanon, Greece, Israel, and the island of Cyprus. In the southern Turkish town of Gaziantep, 150 miles from the border with Syria and 50 miles from the epicenter of the earthquake in Kahramanmaraş, people felt aftershocks hours later. Images from Gaziantep appeared to show that the earthquake caused the collapse of the city's historic castle, an ancient and imposing stone structure atop a hill used as an observation point during Roman times. The earthquake was followed by more than 2,100 aftershocks. The seismic sequence was the result of shallow strike-slip faulting. As of February 13, 2023, more than 36,900 deaths have been reported, over 31,600 in Turkey and 5,300 in Syria. A large winter storm has hampered rescue efforts, dropping snow on the ruins and bringing plummeting temperatures. Due to the freezing temperatures in the area, survivors, especially those trapped under rubble, are at a great risk of hypothermia. The earthquake is estimated to have caused US $84.1 billion worth of damage, making it the fourth costliest earthquake on record and one of the costliest natural disasters ever recorded. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel to get more informative videos.